Design thinking, role of innovation in industry and organization. Role of innovation in industry and organization. Innovation is a significant factor for the organization to achieve competitive advantage. The organization which brings innovation in its process is able to stay alive in the long run. Elements of innovation such as resources, skills, motivation, and empowerment of employees and proper training to help bring out innovative and quality products. First one leads competitive advantage in the market. The market nowadays is quite dynamic and volatile in nature, and the main reason behind the same are the ever grooming competition from the new as well as the established players in the market. Taste of the customers and the changing norms and policies of the government, hence, in to successfully survive in thrive in the competitive market. It is essential for the brands to come up with the products and services offering that are high on the aspects of innovation, giving the brand the much requirement competitive advantage. Second, bring loyal customers. On the most difficult task for the brand in the market is to retain a long list of loyal customers and keep on adding to the list. And that is only possible when the brand are able to solve their pain and problem area with the product and service offering that are new, novel and innovative. Hence, it is very crucial for the brands to realize the importance of innovation to keep their cash registration ringing and profit elevated by keeping the customers happy and satisfied. Third one, creating unique selling proposition. If we conduct market research that can be of primary or secondary nature, we will figure out that each and every successful brand has a unique selling proposition and there is their intellectual property and works as an inspiration for their contemporaries in the market. And the unique selling proposition can be arrived and derived on the basis of innovation. And once the brand's USP is hit among the target audience and they are accepting the same, which with the open arms, there is literally no looking back for the brand. And it is the aspect of realizing the importance of innovation that has given the brands its unique selling proposition. Enhanced brand value. If company take a look at the brand example that are known for their high brand value, it is the factor of innovation that makes it possible for them. KFC is known for its unique flavors. Apple is known for its cutting edge technology, quality and design elements. The examples are many, but the main underlying fact is that all the above mentioned brands are offering something to their target audience that is unique and innovative in nature. Fifth, constant improvement. Research and development are slowly becoming a huge part of every company in order to stay relevant in the market. Beating the competition and one of the crucial motive of the management of the firm behind the same is to come up with the products and services that are high on innovation and novelty. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.